to Bombay 3 years back, and this is the place probably I love the most, and I would never leave it. Reason being, it's changed my life completely. A, relationship-wise. B, maturity-wise. C, friendship-wise. D, E, F, G, H. I can go on. It's never going to end. Bombay is one place where you get freedom, where you get independence, where you learn things on your own. There's nobody to push you. There's nobody to give you a helping hand. It's you who have to drag yourself and move forward. It's a place full of competition. It teaches you a lot. Me being in my third year of law college, I got the best of internships over here. From other colleges come here specially to get an internship. So I think that's a very good plus point for me. Apart from that, the nightlife. City never sleeps. There is full-on party. There is awesome time you can have with your friends. There is no stoppage. There are such broad-minded people that it makes you feel great. It makes you feel amazing. There is nobody to judge you. Nobody cares. Nobody bothers in the good sense. So that's like a plus point. Well, the negative thing about Bombay is the weather. It gets really bad. July, August, they're like the most intolerable months. However, we can pass that. Apart from that, I don't think there is anything I hate about Bombay because I love that place so much. I know I'm being biased, but just I love Bombay so much.
Bombay is lots of fun, thanks to my college and the exposure I've gotten there. It's fun living in a hostel, and I love the transport system here. The local trains are amazing. No other city can compare to the transport system here, especially the local trains and how well they work. But coming to the negatives, living in a hostel, it's independence, but it gets lonely. You are sick, there is no one to take care of you. Also fungus. You don't really think about fungus, but it's a huge part of our life. So I wish there wasn't so much of fungus. But if you know, you go out and you sit at the sea, you feel happy again.
Well, Mumbai gives a lot of opportunities, especially for a newcomer. If you come and see, there are so many offices and the professionalism. It's good for a newcomer. Secondly, exposure. The infrastructure which you provide, that gives you a sense of independence. Now, coming on to the negative aspects, I personally don't like the humidity of Mumbai. Secondly, the pace of city. It's just too much at times. Everyone seems to be in a rush, and the competition is high to excel in various fields.
मुंबई बाकी स्टेट के मुकाबले यहाँ काम करना औरतों के लिए काफ़ी अच्छा है और सेफ है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे लड़कियों या फिर औरतों को लेकर भेदभाव नहीं किया जाता। औरतें अपना काम आसानी से और बिना किसी परेशानी के कर सकती हैं। और जहाँ तक छेड़छाड़ और भेदभाव की भावना होती है वो तो हर जगह होती है। ट्रांसपोर्टेशन सिस्टम भी अच्छा है। आप जैसे कि लोकल ट्रेन हो गई, बसेस टाइमली आती जाती हैं, तो वो सबका कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। हाँ, थोड़ा सा भेदभाव होता है मराठी और नॉन मराठी को लेकर। जो मराठी काम करने वाली औरतें हैं वो अपना काम आसानी से करवा सकती हैं, क्योंकि वो यहाँ की है, उनको यहाँ की लैंग्वेज पता है, तो उनका काम जल्दी से होता है। और हमें थोड़ा सा स्ट्रगल करना पड़ता है, क्योंकि हमें उनकी लैंग्वेज नहीं आती है, तो थोड़ा सा यही कहूँगी कि बाकी स्टेट के मुकाबले मुंबई औरतों के लिए ज़्यादा सेफ और यहाँ पे काम करना आसान है।
शोला है या है बिजुरिया, दिल की बजरिया।